Hello guys. So in today's video I'll be discussing how to shut down your PC or log out or restart your PC using command prompt. So basically I will be using some commands to shut down my PC, and also I will be showing how to remotely shut down any PC in a private network. So I'll be showing all the process using command prompt. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the start menu and type here command prompt or CMD. So right click, run it as administrator. Just click yes if the windows pop up. So just type here shutdown. Click hit enter. So here you can see the usage. Yeah. So it's giving like you have to type shutdown followed by some arguments. So these are all the arguments which we can perform on typing shutdown. So earlier I have given only shutdown, so no arguments were given, so it is displaying a help. Or if you are giving shutdown /, same the help section will come out. So if you are typing /i, then a window will pop up. From there you can shut down your PC or multiple PC. From there I will be showing in the later part of the video how to shut down multiple PC using command prompt. So for logging off your PC, you have to type /l. For shutdowning your PC /s. Restart your PC /r. And like this. If you want, if you somehow by mistake you have typed the command to shut down your PC, if you want to abort the statement, then you have to type /a. And like this, you can set the timer also to shut down your PC. So basically the command is shutdown /t space XXX. So this XXX is the time in second. So if I give 120 seconds, then it will be turning off in 2 minutes. So let me show you. I'll just type shutdown /i. So the window pop up. So here you what you can do, if you are an administrative PC in a private network, so you can remotely shut down any other PC if you have the authority to, means if you are administrative, then you can remotely shut down any PC in a private network. So just keep in mind, if you are not administrative PC, then you won't be able to shut down any PC. So just you have to add computer name, like if I'm giving ABC, first computer name, and second is XYZ. Okay, so here are the option, drop down menu is there, shutdown, restart, or unexpected shutdown. So just click here shutdown. So warn the user, so the PC that will be going to shut down, a warning message will come up in 30 seconds. So for 30 seconds the message will be showing that your PC will be shut down. You can share the message also, like your PC will shut down in 30 seconds. So like here the computer name is given, you can give the IP address also. So if you give the IP address, the same thing will happen. The IP address, computer will be log out. So just in case if you don't know how to know the PC name, just you have to go to the start menu, right click, properties. So this is my PC, right click and properties. So here you can see my computer name is desktop-BIOC58. This one is my PC name. So like this you can. So from here also you can get the PC name. So I'm giving example how the PC name looks. So the PC name looks like this, desktop-BIOC58. So if you are the administrative PC in the private network, then you have the details of all the PC that are connected in the network, all the details like IP address, the computer name. From there you can get the details. So let us go here, just type shutdown /s. So it is showing your PC will shut down in 1 minute. Just to abort the statement /a. Yeah, I have aborted the statement. So like this you can use the shutdown statement to remotely shut down any PC in a private network if you are the administrative PC, or in your local PC you can shut down using S or restart /r, or if you want to log out then shutdown /l. So this was the video showing how to shut down your PC using command prompt. I hope you liked the video. If you did, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.